What's up, my foodies? I am making Nigerian bitter leaf soup today, so stay tuned. We are going to be cooking this together. Okay, so if you have your meat prepped already, you don't need to do this process. But I'm going to be making this from scratch as though I don't have anything. So of course I have some beef here. I added some goat meat at some point. If you look well, there's goat meat underneath there. And I've added some salt, some curry, some pepper. I'm going to be adding a lot more later on. Some ginger, just add all the spice you normally would, and of course my onions. You have to add onions to your meat when you're making it. It brings out that taste. Like I said, it was goat meat and beef that I cooked all together, and I was able to cook it because I liked the way it was going to come to the boil at the end of the day. I'm adding some shaki, some stock fish, some goat meat shaki there, some pomo at this point because I didn't want it to be so soft from the beginning, so it's just going to cook together at this point. At this point I'm adding some palm oil because it's better for you to add your palm oil early so that you don't have that taste at the end of the meal. I'm adding some more salt, some more seasoning. I added some crayfish to it. Just go with whatever your taste buds agrees with. At this point I can't tell you to use this measurement or that measurement. Just use whatever you're comfortable with, because I added more meat to it. That's why I added more spice to it. And at that point I added ugiri. Ugiri is very important if you're making bitter leaf soup. And I'm just stirring it together. I added some fish, some stock fish, some smoked fish. Just add any animal of your choice, any protein you want. This is just me making all my protein like beefy at this point. And I wanted everything to all come together, to mix well, to boil together, and that was it. So the next important thing is to add your thickener, and I use some cocoyam. You can use some ground oatmeal if you want. Anything to make your soup thicker is what you're going to be adding. If you want it very thick, add it as you want. If you don't want it so thick, you can thin it out, add more water so that it's not so watery. It just depends on you, depends on the consistency you're aiming for at the end of the day. So guys, just make it simmer, mix it gently because you've added fish at this point, but it's okay. And it's now time to add our bitter leaves, which we've already washed very well. I usually get this from the market when they've washed it very well, and you should be able to get the same thing too. So guys, it's just time for us to wrap everything up. Our meal, our soup is almost ready at this point. Just allow it to simmer for 2 minutes more, and at the end of the day you will have your wonderful delicious bowl of bitter leaf soup. It's very, very easy, trust me. This is one of the best soups I love. I think with almost anything, with fufu, with eba, with oatmeal flour, with plantain flour. Just take it and have it with your swallow of choice, or take it just the way it is. It's very nice, trust me. And our soup is ready. Bon appetit. Come and join me. Let me know if you're going to be trying this. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly use this opportunity to subscribe because I'll be dropping more wonderful videos for you. Do take care, stay beautiful, stay healthy. I would love to see you some other time. Bye.